we'll guide you through how to make scrolling text in PowerDirector. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure PowerDirector is already installed and ready to use on your device. Double-click the PowerDirector application icon to open it and access the main editing workspace. After the program opens, click New Project at the top of the screen to create a new project. You will automatically be taken to the My Media section, where you can click the plus icon to import a file. Select a video that you want to use as the background and click Open. Once the video has been imported successfully, drag and drop it onto the timeline. Next, click the Titles menu at the top of the screen. Open the Plain Text category and find the default text template. Drag and drop the template onto the timeline above the video track. Select the text clip on the timeline. Click the Edit button, and then click Advanced to open the text editing window. Next, open the Properties tab and change the text to how to make scrolling text in PowerDirector. Adjust the text size and bold settings as needed so the text is easy to read and matches your preferred style. After that, open the Styles tab and choose the preset you want to use for the text appearance. When you are satisfied with the style, open the Animation tab to add movement to the text. Click the Animation and Category and scroll down until you find a Scroll and Crawl category. Open that category and locate the scroll down animation. Click the animation to apply it to the text clip. When prompted, click Yes to confirm the selected animation. After the animation has been applied successfully, click OK to save the changes and return to the main workspace. Click the View at Full Screen icon to enlarge the preview window and make it easier to see the effect. Click the Play button and watch the scrolling text animation move across the screen.